Hello, this is our first video that we're gonna upload this week. We are going on a nature walk. So, this is what we're gonna do. Just gonna go on a nice nature walk. Okay. Look at James. Nature walk. Now, I'm a first-time mom. I am 21. I am married. I am trying to get into shape to keep up with my son, as he is trying to start crawling, and he's only 4 months old, but he has learned how to scoot on his back and his belly. He knows how to roll over. So we trying to figure out to lose some weight so as he gets older I can keep up with him. So this is day one of working on my weight loss journey. Now I've decided to do a YouTube channel on my weight loss journey. Probably document food, try to document our nature walks. I don't know if this is gonna be good content or not. At least the nature walks will. But I will edit this video once I learn how. Oh, here we go. We got some water. Okay. Alrighty. Here we go. Now, right now, looks like we're coming up on the pier. Always a good spot to come up on. It's the pier. Now I won't be able to document all our walks because as I lose weight, I would like to be able to walk to my mom's house. I used to be able to walk it when I was a lot younger, and now it's just really hard. So we're at the pond. See, James is interested in what is going on. We don't go on as many walks as I'd like. It has been really cold this week, so it's been really hard to get out and do our walks. So this is why our first walk is today on the nice Saturday afternoon. Now you can see we're walking on the wooden path. We are at our local nature center, which is in our neighborhood, and oh my God, we love it. Oh, we got people coming. Look, weird talking to myself. Okay, here we go. Hello. Okay, here we go. See, we got a trail. We're going up a hill. I had to stop talking for a second. Do not want people to think I'm weird. Talking to my phone. I'm trying to come up with some interesting content. Since I am a stay-at-home mom right now, I have time to still make content and to create a channel Okay. Oh, we're gonna go this way. Boo. Gotta watch my step. Now, a reason why I use the chest carrier for him is because if I use the stroller, we can't go on some of these paths. It's really hard with the stroller. So I carry him. I don't know if I'll be able to document my next walk today. Because the plan is for my mother-in-law to go with me, trying to get her out too. Because this little guy is going to be a handful. My mom has been doing really good on her weight loss journey, and I've been seeing all these people doing the weight loss journey. So I thought, why not? And I thought I'd document it. I know I keep repeating myself, but I guess I'm just trying to figure out content, like I've been saying. Oh, we got a butterfly. Sometimes, if we can get animals in the shot, we will. So far, we got nothing. Could be because it's my first time and I'm talking. Let's be quiet for a little bit. Okay. 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 You okay, buddy? Looks like we're pretty much just going in a circle, which is fine, since I am still working on losing some weight. Plan is to do Just Dance and stuff like that, so I can hopefully get that documented as we get that far into this journey. Now, I'm not gonna cut out any foods. My plan is to just watch my portion control as this weight loss journey continues, and eventually I will start weighing myself. I have weighed myself when I first wanted to do this beginning of the month, and that did not go as planned. Because of the holiday, I ended up having a party with my family. The fam was over. I guess, let's see, we got, the family was over for Labor Day. I tried to do a 10-day, no sugar, no none of that. But then I thought, if I watch how much I'm eating and I walk at least 3-4 times a day, give my son some more outside time. As my plan was when he was first here after I recovered from my C-section, was to walk every day. When he first was born, I was a little hesitant about walking with him without my husband, just because you never know what kind of creeps around. But I figured out if I keep things progressing, charged well enough, things do come out very nice. I will have to edit this because y'all probably don't want to listen to me ramble. I mean, I could just use this as a blooper, say my very first YouTube video. Then it could just be my blooper video, put blooper by it. Just because I have to learn how to edit stuff yet. And I don't have a cool camera like some of them YouTubers do. I use my phone. Because I'm trying to get in I've always wanted to YouTube. I've never had never thought of content to do. But nice nature walks in the nature center. I know my video isn't very long for the first one, but I'm sure as we go down in size, in pants and all that, we will be okay. The other reason why I couldn't start when I wanted to is because I didn't have shoes that fit. My feet have gotten bigger while I was pregnant and have not gone down. So I do wear a bigger size shoe now. I wear a 9.5. Used to wear 9. I did go up a half a size. So none of my shoes fit. So I had to wait till I get new shoes. I know this is probably all random to you guys. I'm pretty much rambling. But yeah, this is our local nature center. In March, they do have pancake breakfast with homemade syrup from trees, from the oak trees in March. I was pregnant last time. And they had it, and they only had it a couple weekends. It was around the time COVID hit. Speaking of COVID, what do you all think will happen after the election with COVID? And do you guys think that the mask thing is necessary? How are you guys liking quarantine? I know some places are still in lockdown. Here in Wisconsin, we're not in lockdown anymore. They do require masks in all the stores. So we try to not take little man in the stores with us. We do go see grandparents and family. Oh, we can, and maybe sometimes if once get my waterproof case for my phone, we'll be able to record our swim days, that we go take him to the pool. He loves swimming. He never stops moving. He loves to move. So he likes to kick his feet when he's in his floaty. It is so cute. Maybe I could when I redo my room, I can give you guys that as content too. Which our room is pretty much the nursery right now too. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna feel if he were to have his own room yet. I'm very precautious. Every little cough, sneeze in the middle of the night, I freak out too. Do not get much sleep, but since I am a first-time mom, sleep is very rare for me, I guess. I was up, till 4:30 this morning. Got up at 9. This little man didn't get up till almost 10 o'clock this morning. Oh, that nice breeze. Okay, enough of me. Okay, we got trees. But this is our local nature center. So me and my husband had our first date when we were in high school. I was a sophomore, he was a senior. There's a little background about us. The fact is, we got married 2019. 2009. I graduated in 2017. Oh, I'm such a dork. I am so sorry, guys. 2019, June 22nd was our day we got married. 2 months later, we found out we were pregnant with little man. Well, we didn't know he was a boy at the time, to be honest. We found out when we were about 4 weeks pregnant. Did everything we needed to do, kept him, watched him grow. I am gonna start documenting when I do get pregnant again. Plan is to document my whole pregnancy. I should have been with him, but I never thought about it, and I regret not documenting it and doing my baby button changes. I should have, and I regret it. Eventually, I'm hoping, yeah. So that's the end of our walk today. We will see you guys on our next walk. Have a good day, guys. Love you.